Hi everyone! Today my daughter Ava and I are dealing with irritation in our throats which is causing us to cough. And so we are going to show you how we make up our favourite homemade cough syrup here. And this recipe comes from my very favourite essential oil reference book. It's called The Essential Life and you can get this from oillife.com. And we're looking here in the respiratory health area. And so you're going to have solutions of single oils, blends, supplements, and suggestions related by properties over here. We have usage tips and then cautions. And then over the page we're looking here at remedies. We've also got conditions that go into a whole bunch more conditions and suggestions. But this is our cough syrup recipe right here. So it calls for half a cup of honey, and we're using this raw local honey. When you use raw and local honey, it adds to the properties that we're wanting for a cough, so it can be really effective here. And then we're going to have 8 drops of peppermint, lemon, lavender and frankincense, 3 drops of clove and wild orange, and 1 drop of cinnamon. So we've added these into our honey already. And Ava's going to help me and be my cameraman here, and then all we do is mix it around, and that's it, and we have our cough syrup. And so I need some of this right now, and I'm going to go ahead and take a spoonful, and it's really good, and I have used this on my children